Hello students, today we are going to study a new topic, that is direct and indirect speech. Direct speech and indirect speech are two ways of reporting what somebody said. In direct speech, a quote can also be placed before the main clause. For example, Vandana said, "I am a teacher." It begins with main clause, which includes the speaker Vandana, reporting verb said, and is followed by a, comma, and exact word of the quote, which is enclosed in quotation mark. In direct speech, when quote placed before the main clause, in that case we do not end the quote with full stop, but we use a comma, question mark, or an exclamation mark after completing the exact quote. For example, "I need to reach college soon." We will use comma here, and then said his sister, meaning main clause. Indirect speech. In reported or indirect speech, we report what a speaker said without quoting his exact words. In indirect speech, do not use quotation mark or comma after the main clause. For example, the monkey exclaimed that he had left his heart on the tree. We begin the reported speech with the main clause. Use subordinator that to link it to the statement. In indirect speech, time and place change when reporting what someone said. Therefore, the quoted speech undergoes changes when it is changed from direct to indirect speech. When we are converting direct to indirect speech, we should follow the rule to change the tense, pronoun, and other words in reported speech. When the reporting verb is in the present tense or in the future tense, the tense of the verb inside the quote does not change in the indirect speech. Meaning, जब reporting verb present tense में है या future tense में है, तो reporting speech में कोई भी changes नहीं होंगे. The tense of the verb in the quoted speech also undergoes changes when direct speech is changed to indirect speech. This table shows the changes that take place while changing direct to indirect speech. Read this table carefully. This table shows changes in verbs and tenses while converting direct to indirect speech. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, all verbs inside the quote will change to their corresponding past tense or past perfect tense in indirect speech. When the reporting verb is in the present tense or in the future tense, then tense of the verb inside the quote does not change in the indirect speech. For example, he says she is happy, while converting into indirect speech. Because the reporting verb is in the present tense, so there will be no change in the reporting speech. He says that she is happy. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, the modal verbs can, will, may, and shall inside the quote change into could, would, might, and should. in indirect speech and main verb stays same. When the reporting verb is said to, then it will be changed into told. For example, Neha said to me, I am fine now. Then, while converting into indirect speech, we will convert said to into told. Neha told me that she was fine then. I hope you all have understood the topic. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.